Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into top 5 Java tips you must know, tips that will help you write better, more efficient Java code. Tip 1. Use meaningful variable names. It might feel convenient to use short variable names like A or X, but descriptive names make your code easier to read and maintain. Check this out. By choosing a meaningful name, anyone reading your code understands the purpose, saving time in debugging and collaboration. Tip 2. Embrace immutability. Immutable objects like creating final variables reduce bugs and make your code thread safe. For example, using immutable objects whenever possible ensures that your data remains consistent. Tip 3. Master your debugging tools. Learning to use IDE built-in debuggers and logging frameworks like Log4j or SLF4j can drastically reduce your troubleshooting time. Set breakpoints, inspect variables, and log critical information. Trust me, these tools are game changers. Tip 4. Leverage Java Collections Framework. Instead of reinventing the wheel, Java's Collections API provides powerful and optimized data structures. Familiarize yourself with lists, sets, maps, and queues. For example, a simple usage of ArrayList. Utilizing these collections will help you write more concise and efficient code. Tip 5. Optimize your code for performance. Always be mindful of performance, use efficient algorithms and data structures, and take advantage of Java's concurrency features when needed. Profile your applications and refactor slow parts. Remember, sometimes a small change can lead to big performance gains. Those were our top 5 Java tips you must know. We hope you feel inspired to write cleaner, more efficient code. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming insights. Drop your favorite Java tips in the comments below.